Hi, I'm Leslie Logan. Let's do the small circles after the back bend stretch here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the small leg circles after the back bend stretch are really fun to add in. You'll probably add them in before the big circles, which I'll show you in another video. So if you're looking at this video from the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcards, you'll see that we have the back bend stretch, we have the small circles and the big circles. And yes, they can all be an exercise together, but also you'll be in process. And so I wanted to separate them out so you can see and do what is possible in your body today. So typically you would add this in after your last back bend stretch. So let's do that together so you can see the transition. So your legs would already be set up parallel, a little more than a hip distance apart. My sacrum's on the barrel. I round back. I would have already done 1 to 3 of these already, and I walk down to that third. Some people go down to the 4th rung. I'm reaching my arms to my back, squeeze my legs together, and I circle them like a little corkscrew, right? And I'm just going from one way to the other. Think hip circles even. And I'm really working my leg circles from my stomach and not from my hip flexors. Then you separate the feet, place them down, lift the arms up. Remember, we're going up and over, so we're not pushing into the barrel. We're lifting our center up as we pulse 3 times. And then I can roll up and be done. Or I could roll back and go into the big circles. So I'll show you this in the next video. If you have questions about this or how it feels in your body, feel free to put in the comments below. We go live at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. However, there's a lot of different things that could be going on. So sometimes you need feedback on your form. We do that if you're an OPC member. So go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube to join us today. Thank you so much.